Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have an excited and creative project for all you art and craft enthusiasts out there. We will be showing you how to make a beautiful paper stick vase using simple materials, so let's get started. To make this paper stick vase, you will need a few basic items. Sheets of paper, wooden stick, glue, toilet paper roll, paints brush, scissor. Now that we have our material ready, let's move on to the step-by-step process. Take a sheet of paper. Roll the sheet with the help of wooden stick. Use a small amount of glue to secure the edges. Repeat this process with multiple sheets of paper. Take a toilet paper roll. The toilet paper roll will give our vase a round shape. Start attaching the paper stick to the surface of the toilet paper roll. Position them slightly opposite to each other to create a twisted effect. Apply glue to the outer surface of the vase. Allow the glue to dry completely. Once the vase is completely dry, it's time to add some color. Grab your paints and paint brushes and let your creativity shine. Paint the entire surface of the vase in your desired color. Feel free to experiment with different techniques to achieve the look you want. Look at this beautiful paper stick vase we have created together. It's a fantastic way to upcycle materials and add a unique touch to your home decor. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and found it inspiring. If you did, Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.